Hey, Michael here, and this is the Expanding Verge. Today's video will cover top 5 Linux tools that I use on a daily basis. Jumping straight into it, the first tool I use on a daily basis is known as the AG or Silver Searcher. It can be used over grep as it can color code files that it finds and the keywords used. So as an example, if I grep file in this directory, I'm going to get a lot of results, but with no particular color coding. And if I use the AG tool, it'll return everything color coded, making it much easier to find and see. On top of this, it has some specific optimizations, such as you can exclude HH files or certain particular files to make your search faster. The second tool I'll be showing is the Wicket tool. The Wicket tool uses Wikipedia and provides a summary for a search term. So while developing, I'll often take out the Wicket tool, and if I want to find out something about DNS, for example, I'll just pipe that into less, and then I can quickly read up on this tool without having to go to my browser. And it also gives you a summary that should provide the idea of that search term. The third tool I use on a daily basis is known as TheFuck. TheFuck is a simple tool. So if you ever find yourself typing a command such as this, and then you get a permission denied, what the fuck tool does is it stops you from having to go back to your command, type in sudo, and then call the command. You can simply type fuck. I have an alias instead of the fuck. And there you go. It'll call the command for you. And then if you've previously typed the fuck, you can type fuck again. And neat feature, no fucks were given. So continuing on with the list, there is the ICDiff tool. This tool is similar to the diff tool in that if you compare two files, such as initdaemon.c and initdaemon.copy, you can see the differences, but it also takes advantages of color coding. So as a quick example, if I use it on the init, I keep doing two n's, initdaemon.c and initdaemon.copy, you can see here, what I've changed is I've removed the include, so it's in red. If a new line is in one file, it'll be in red here and green here. And then I change the U to E. So it makes it much faster when you're trying to compare two files, maybe to see if what was changed and so on. It can speed up productivity. And the fifth and final tool that I use on a daily basis is known as the WTTR.in or water.in. And you can simply use it to curl the weather in your area. Simple but useful if you're always in your command line. So if I use the water.in/Dublin, which is my city, and then you get the C for Celsius or F for Fahrenheit, you get a cool UI that comes up. You see that the weather right now, it's raining extremely hard all day, and you just get an interesting weather report, all color coded. And that's all the content for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked or learned anything, and subscribe if you want to see content like this in the future. See you next time.